In this video, I'll show you how to change the search engine in Microsoft Edge. First, open the Microsoft Edge web browser. As you can see, I currently have Bing as my search engine. Let's change that. Click on the three dots icon in the top right corner of the browser. Then, from the menu that appears, select Settings. This will open the browser's settings page. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. Navigate to Privacy, Search, and Services. Scroll down to the Services section. Click on Address Bar and Search. On the page that opens, next to search engine used in the address bar, click the button. From the drop-down list, choose your desired search engine. I've selected Google Search Engine. As you can see, after making this change, the default search has been updated. Thank you for watching.